There we go. So I have this one as well. This is tiny, little bit tiny but heavy. So maybe I would leave this for a couple of more days and see. I've got bell peppers. This is not ready yet, but I think this one is ready. Oh, it came off. This is ready and this is ready too. This actually changes color, so I'm curious to see which color it's going to turn into. I think it's red because on the packet I have got it shows red and green. So I'll see. I'll just leave it for a couple of more days and indoors in the dark place, and then see what color it's going to change to. And there's one more here. I don't need scissors, it's just twisting and it's coming off. This is really good size. And I'm just checking if I have got any more there. If you can come up close. There are a few more here. So this is ready too. And here I've got 2 more capsicum. So what I'm going to do with this one is 1 bell pepper. I'm going to leave it on the plant, and then because I just want to see how the color changes on the plant, and also just want to experiment inside as well. So I'm going to harvest these ones. This is good size. And this one I'm going to leave it on the plant. That's all harvesting we have. This is the tomato plant. We've got almost like 15 kilos of tomatoes so far, and as you can see the top bits are producing flowers. So once this harvest is done, they'll be ready very soon. This one right here is aubergine, and I'm going to harvest this one too. There are so many tiny ones here, but some of them are ripened. These have thorns and they don't get, this variety don't get mushy. So we've got some aubergine. The close-up thinner. There we go. And the leaves, when you see leaves that are wilted and brown, you need to discard them like that. This is bitter gourd. We have got some fruits coming up, but they are not ready yet. There's one more there. This is sorrel leaves, gongura in Telugu language. And this is ridge gourd. This is not ready yet. This will be ready in 1 week's time. So we've got 5 ridge gourd on this plant. So this is our harvest so far. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye.